Hello everyone, in this video we will talk about division of polynomials using long division. So here is our given 5x squared plus 6x raised to 4 minus x plus 4x raised to 5 minus 10 divided by 2x squared plus 3. The first thing to do is to arrange the given polynomial, yung dividend, in descending order. When we say descending order, from highest exponent down to lowest exponent. So, ang highest exponent natin dito, or yung may pinakamataas na exponent dito ay yung 4x raised to 5. So, siya dapat yung nasa harap. So, ang unang term natin is 4x raised to 5. Ang next, syempre, is yung 6x raised to 4. So, plus 6x raised to 4. And the next natin is yung 5x squared. And then next is negative x. And then negative 10. Once naka-arrange na yung ating given dividend, ang kailangan nyo namang isunod ay to complete the given polynomial. So, analyze nyo kung kompleto yung terms. Since our exponent or highest exponent is 5, dapat we have 6 terms. So, mapapansin ninyo, may missing na isang term dyan. Okay, so nawawala yung x raised to 3, yung x cube. So, lalagyan natin ngayon ng missing term. Okay, rewrite lang natin yung ibang given. So, 4x raised to 5 plus 6x raised to 4. So, isisingit na natin yung next term dito, which is plus 0x cube. So, since nawawala yung x cube, lalagyan natin siya ng 0x cube. And then next, rewrite natin si 5x squared minus x minus 10. So, same with the divisor. Yung divisor natin, may nawawala ring isa. Okay? So, divide natin yan, magiging 2x squared. Nawawala yung x. So, that's why, lalagyan din natin siya ng 0x and then plus 3. So, once kompleto na, nakaset up na yung ating gagawin, na-arrange na natin yung polynomials, and then, nalagyan na natin ng missing terms, pwede na nating simulan yung division natin. Long division. Okay? So, ilalagay natin siyempre sa loob ng radical symbol or yung division symbol yung ating given polynomials. So, nasa loob yung dividend and then nasa labas yung divisor. Okay? After nating i-divide dyan, kailangan i-write nyo yung inyong sagot or write your answer in the form of q of x plus r all over d of x. Q of x is the quotient, r is the remainder, and d of x is the divisor. The polynomials. So in dividing the polynomials, divide the first term of the dividend to the first term of the divisor. So 4 divided by 2, that is 2. X raised to 5 divided by x squared, so subtract the exponent, that is x raised to 3. So after getting the first term of the quotient, multiply it back to each term of the divisor. So 2x cubed times 2x squared, so that is 4x raised to 5. And then 2x cubed times 0x, that is 0x raised to 4. And then 2x cubed times 3, that is 6x cubed. So next process natin, of course, same with dividing real numbers. So we subtract. Okay, let us subtract. Enclose it by parentheses. Okay, so 4 minus 4, that is 0. Okay, so hindi na natin yung sinusulat. Then 6x raised to 4 minus 0x raised to 4. So that is 6x raised to 4. 0x cubed minus 6x cubed. So you may use your calculator here or use the process of subtracting integers. Diba ang ginagawa natin dito? Proceed to addition and then change the sign of the subtrahend. So magiging negative 6 yan, then 0 plus negative 6. Okay? So that is negative 6x cubed. So para mas mabilis, use your calculator. And then bring down 5x squared. And then divide the first term again to the first term of the divisor. 6 divided by 2, that is 3. X raised to 4 divided by x squared. Subtract the exponent, that is x squared. So again, same process, multiply it back to each term of the divisor. So 3x squared times 2x squared, that is 6x raised to 4. Then 3x squared times 0x, that is 0x cubed. Then 3x squared times 3, that is 9x squared. And then again, subtract. So enclose it by parentheses. Okay, 6x raised to 4 minus 6x raised to 4. So that is 0. So hindi na natin sinusulat yan. Remove na natin. And then negative 6x cubed minus 0x cubed. That is negative 6x cubed. And then 5x squared minus 9x squared. Of course, that is negative 4x squared. So check nyo sa calculator kung sakto. Kasi ang operation natin sa integers, di ba? Subtraction. Ang ginagawa, proceed to addition, then change the sign of the subtrahend. So 5 plus negative 9. Negative 4x squared. So para makasigurado kayo, use your calculator. And then bring down negative x. So again, process natin, divide the first term to the first term of the divisor. Okay, negative 6x cubed divided by 2x squared. So negative 6 divided by 2, negative 3. X cubed divided by x squared, so subtract the exponent, that is x. And then, multiply it back to each term of the divisor. So negative 3x times 2x squared, negative 6x cubed, negative 3x times 0x, 0x squared, negative 3x times 3, negative 9x. And then, subtract again each term. So, enclose it by parentheses. Negative 6x cubed minus negative 6x cubed, that is 0. So, hindi na natin yung sinusulat. Negative 4x squared minus 0x squared. So, that is negative 4x squared. And then, negative x minus negative 9x. So, yung ating numerical coefficient ng x dyan is negative 1. Okay? So, negative 1 minus negative 9. That is equal to 8x. Okay, to make sure, use your calculator or use the operation of integers, diba? Negative 1, magiging plus na ang operation natin, then change the sign of the subtrahend, magiging positive 9. So, negative 1 plus positive 9. That is 8. Okay? Para makasigurado, check nyo sa calculator ninyo. And then, bring down negative 10. And then, divide again the first term to the first term of divisor. So, negative 4 divided by 2, that is negative 2. X squared divided by x squared, syempre, that is equal to 1. So, hindi na natin sinusulat kasi negative 2 times 1, negative 2 naman. So, ang term natin doon ay negative 2. And then, multiply it back to each term of the divisor. So, negative 2 times 2x squared. So, that is negative 4x squared. Negative 2 times 0x. 0x. Negative 2 times 3. Negative 6. And then subtract again, enclose it by parentheses. Okay? So negative 4x squared minus negative 4x squared, that is 0. And then 8 minus 0, that is 8x. Negative 10 minus negative 6. So again, proceed to addition, then change the sign of the subtrahend. Magiging positive 6 yan. So negative 10 plus 6. Or you may use your calculator, -10 minus -6. That is equal to -4. So since wala na tayong ibabang number, we cannot bring down any number anymore. So wala na tayong sobrang number dyan. So we have the remainder. So our remainder is 8x minus 4. Kasi hindi na natin pwedeng i-divide yung 8x kay 2x squared. Okay? But we have to write our answer in terms of q of x plus r all over d of x. Okay? So yung q of x, that is the quotient, yung r is the remainder, yung d of x is the divisor. So our quotient is 2x cubed plus 3x squared minus 3x minus 2. And then plus natin yung remainder. Ang remainder natin ay yung 8x minus 4. At ang divisor natin ay 2x squared plus 3. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned from this video. And if you learned, please subscribe to my channel.